Thanks for visiting my website. My name's Sean and I work with cleaning companies all around the world, helping them with their client marketing. This is something I have personal experience with, having set up my own cleaning business and growing it to 4 cities. The most common question I get from people is, where is the best place to invest my marketing budget? And my answer is always the same. I believe that you want to be trying all the different marketing channels out there, all the offline channels, all the online channels. And importantly, you want to be tracking the performance of each of those channels. Once you've got that data, then you need to quickly narrow down the handful of channels that are getting you the best results. What I believe is that 9 times out of 10, what you'll find is that page 1 on Google is ultimately the place you want to invest your time and money. Ultimately, if you're a client who's serious about booking a cleaning service, the first place you go to is generally google.com. You're not flicking through newspaper adverts, or you're not scrolling on TikTok or Instagram. The first place the majority of people will go to is google.com. And this is something I found in my own cleaning business. We've got the best clients, the best leads, the best close rates on Google. And I find similar with many of my high 6-figure and 7-figure cleaning business owners that I work with. So fast forward to today, and we work with cleaning businesses all around the world, specifically on their Google marketing. So we run Google Ads campaigns for them, which allows them to generate a stream of cost-effective leads for their business, and they can increase the budget when they need more work, and they can reduce it when the calendars are getting full. We run Google local service ads campaigns alongside Google Ads. This is Google's pay-per-lead service, and we move the budget between the 2 platforms according to which is performing best at the time. SEO is also really important, and that involves getting ranked and visible in the section in the middle of the page, the Google Maps section. We also work on their organic search engine results, the section below the maps area. And this is where we are identifying the most lucrative keywords for that cleaning business and trying to get them ranked at the top of the page. So have a look at our website if you're interested in how we work. There's lots of client testimonials out there. If you're interested in potentially working together, or if you have any questions, feel free to book a call, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Many thanks.